Torture can happen to anyone. It can happen anywhere. Torture can take many forms. Physical beating, mutilation or the threat of mutilation, sexual violence and the threat of sexual violence. One of the worst kinds of torture is mental torture, like holding people incommunicado, blindfolding, or sleep deprivation. People use torture to get information. People use torture as a punishment. People use torture to force the victim to do something, like hand over money or drop a legal case. Torture damages both the victim and the torturer. It takes away our humanity. The Prevention and Prohibition of Torture Act was passed in 2012. It has made torture one of the most serious crimes in Uganda. No one is above the law. Police can be charged with torture, just like anyone else. Torture is severely punished, carrying a life sentence if someone is severely harmed. As a citizen or as an officer of the law, it is your duty to report torture, whether you are a victim or a witness. You can report torture to the police, to a lawyer, and to a human rights NGO. The law provides protection for those who report torture. The law will compensate victims of torture with money or earnings they may have lost and with medical care if they are injured or traumatized. You can call any of these toll-free numbers to report torture. If you experience or witness torture in prison, ask a visitor or someone you trust to contact the Uganda Human Rights Commission. They have full access to all prisons and places of detention and can freely interact with prisoners. African Center for Treatment and Rehabilitation of Torture Victims provides rehabilitation services to survivors of torture. For more information, call their toll-free line 0800-202-791. We must all act to end torture in Uganda.